Welcome to Project Anonymous.
Quick tips, shorts.
Today we're going to show you how to change your Brother SE1900 from a sewing machine to an embroidery machine.
Let's get to it. To start, make sure your needle is in the full upright position. You can do that by pressing this button until the needle goes up. Then lock the machine for safety. To remove the presser foot, press this black lever at the rear of the machine, and your foot should fall off. Use a provided screwdriver to loosen the presser foot holder screw, and then remove it. Next, you'll want to install the embroidery foot, like so, and tighten the screw. Next, turn off your machine, and remove the flatbed. Then slide the embroidery unit into place. Listen for the click. Turn on your machine, press OK, and you're ready to embroider. To turn your Brother SE1900 back into a sewing machine, just reverse the steps. Thanks so much for watching.
Hope this helps.